Because my friends, I know you will be expecting me to call you, to recognize you. All protocol observed.
Thank you very much.
Chairman, let everybody sit down and settle down. We want to fast track this occasion. We want to fast track this occasion without wasting time. If you don't have chair or seat, come over here and we will get you one. Yeah, before I hand over my microphone to the President General Secretary, the chairman of this occasion, and the dear wife, before I hand over the mic, I'm not fail to recognize those that I am working on, those that are working with me. I want to introduce without wasting time the DJ who has gone to holidays for 2 years. DJ Wi-Fi he went to training in America and came back, and the son rejected the training. He went to Canada and came back, the daughter rejected it. Augusta the final one. DJ Bata watching up with there, and it's no other person than DJ Wi-Fi on the show. DJ Wi-Fi is going to be our DJ today. And I also want to introduce and let you know about the next event that will be coming up. Mr. Chairman, let's do